Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Madis here. So today I'm going to make this small precisely adjustable low voltage indication circuit for your batteries. You can use it with 12 volt batteries, but I'm going to use it with a 3.7 volt lithium ion battery. That's why I already set the indication voltage at 3.50 volt. So I'm going to decrease the voltage in my variable power supply to replicate the battery discharging. And as you can see, the circuit is perfectly working and it reacts with 0.1 or 0.2 voltage. So this is too much precise, and let's see how to make this one. Before starting the video, please do subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for more updates, cause I came up with this kind of tutorials twice in a week. You need one TL431. It's an adjustable Zener diode, one indication LED, 1.2 kilo ohm resistance, 330 ohm resistance, and a potentiometer. It's a 100 kilo ohm potentiometer. You can use normal potentiometers, but these are much precise cause it's a multi-ton potentiometer and perfect for this project. And a piece of Vero board. It's a 0 PCB. So it's your circuit diagram, and let's have a look at the simplified version. So it's a simplified version of that circuit, and I'm going to replicate this same circuit in my 0 PCB. It's your TL431, and as you can see, other thing is written. So after making this circuit, the first thing you have to do is calibrate this circuit, and obviously I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's make the circuit. So the circuit is ready, as you can see, and now you have to set the indication voltage in this circuit. I mean, you have to calibrate the circuit. So you can use your lab bench power supply. In my case, I'm using LM317 variable power supply. I made this circuit few days ago. You can check out that video, link is here. And if you don't have a variable power supply, you can use a lithium battery and just discharge the battery to the indication voltage. I mean, in my case it 3.5 volt. So discharge the battery at 3.5 volt and connect that in these terminals. I'm going to connect the power supply in these terminals. And rotate this potentiometer until the LED start to glow. The LED is glowing, and now the circuit is calibrated for this voltage. Let's test it. Let's see how the circuit works with different voltage levels. I mean, I'm gonna increase the voltage. And as you can see, 0.1 or 0.2 volt can change the LED state. That means it's too much precise. And obviously it works with lower voltages. And the turn off point is 3.50. As you can see. So the circuit is working perfectly, and you can make your own. It's very simple and small, and it's indicate properly. Thanks for watching guys. Please do subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos.